All right. Welcome everyone to my computer station slash lab. Um, Today I want to repurpose some of the parts inside of this power supply. This power supply had a MOSFET that blew up, so I'm probably not going to use it. So the goal is to kind of get us some parts off of it that I can use later on. And the first part I want to take off and use is this whole fan assembly right here. When I'm soldering, I'm breathing in a lot of toxic chemicals, and especially leaded solder is very dangerous. It can cause cancer, obviously. So what I want to do is today, I don't have a filter that I can use to put here, but I want to at least get this hooked up to a USB connector, and then I want to at least get that going and at least blow the air away. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I should have plenty of like parts and stuff that I can use. Hopefully I have some junk USB port or something around here. Yeah, I should have something. So let's go ahead and look for a USB cord thing. There's one right here, worked perfect. So something like this. And I think I already cut these open before. It's a little too much light, isn't it? All right. Hmm. Let's look online right quick, and I will make this smaller, and I will get the other screen to come on. Okay, that's an old video I made. Here we go. Let me get my web browser over here. I just want an image for it. Here we go. All right. So looking at this cable here, seems like the red or pink one is my 5 volts, which anyone can guess that green is going to be data, negative, white is also data, and the black one, which I don't have a black one, I'm guessing would be the yellow one for this one, is a ground. So I don't need data for this. We have a multimeter, we can check this too. So let's get this going here. First I want to, man, that light's like too bright, isn't it? Let's see how this works. That's even worse. I want to build a something to go above here, and on the top have a light, maybe like right up here, maybe. But that's gonna come later on. I guess some more of this. Okay. I'll simply plug this up. Do I have my multimeter around here? I mean, I got this thing over here. Alright, let's turn on the light again. Oh no. So I got this thing over here. It might work. Actually, the light's not too bad. It just makes things reflect a little too much. This is not a, the probe fell off and everything, but oh well. Put this in our thing here. Get out of the way. Oh, let's turn this on. Let's put DC voltage. Okay, around 5 volts, good. And that is all we need to power this fan. I'm just gonna say that the light that's on my head right now, along with the camera, is killing my forehead right now. But this is kind of a nice way to do it. I just need some padding on my forehead. And then I'm wearing my headphones too, so I got a lot of weight on my head right now, so I'm trying to deal with all that weight right now. Let's turn on the little solder iron. Let's get this out of the way. I like to get like these big capacitors off of here. I also want to make a discharge resistor too. Oh, my head is killing me. Okay, so what would really be nice if I could have a connector like this on my cable here. And I guess I could take the connector off the power supply and use it. But I think we're just going to go ahead and dedicate this as a full-time fan. So let me cut that off. It's like I'm working on my old 2001 Corolla. Well, I would like to actually keep that on there. Could probably also use some precision electrical scissors too. Or one of those really fancy, I don't know what you call them, but they like kind of like get it, and they're kind of gauged, a specific gauge, and they pull it off like that. All right. Kind of a difference in gauge right here that I'm working with. My head hurts so bad. Okay, get some more wire here. So what I want to do is kind of start right here. Oh man, I don't have small hands. Well, I get some more of this. Okay, there we go. Mm, so I'm attempting to like wrap it around there really well. Uh-oh. My mic's still there? Hey, there's no background noise though. Oh my gosh, guys, like, oh, this is putting so much pressure on my head. I can't do this. Okay. Oh, here we go. There we go. That's what I'm trying to do right there. Alright, let's do it with the other wire. I like to get them wrapped around where I won't even need solder first, so it's a good connection. And then I'll go later on and add some solder to it. I'm wrapping the copper wire around here. Um, this is supposed to be a standard. I forgot who did it. It's not NASA standard, but that's an electrical standard that they use. Let's just test this and see if it works. Oh, look at that. It's working. Cool. Okay. Oh, it's so quiet. So I'm gonna have this kind of like right here, and then I can solder stuff. Let's do a test, and then I'm gonna call this video quits because I need to get this off my head. I am dying. Do I have something to solder here? We'll just test some flux here. We'll burn some flux and see what happens. Nice. That is exactly what I want. Cool, now I don't have to breathe in anything. Now, I will probably go to banggood.com or AliExpress or eBay, some site like that, and I might even just leave this like this, put some tape around it, some electrical tape, which, yeah, I might just do that. I had some around here somewhere. Well, this includes this video, and just remember, your little cable here can be any USB cable. And you ignore the green and the white wires, those are for data. All you need is the red, which is your positive 5 volts, and your black, which is your ground. Or it could be yellow, so keep that in mind, black or yellow. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I have a headache now, and see you later.